Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a quick video. I wanted to do a review of the Nyma Tang times Dose of Colors. She curated two lip kits with Dose of Colors. I'm pretty sure all of you know Nyma. She's here on YouTube. Now I got the nude lip set because she has nude and there was like an orange. Look how amazing she looks. Oh my God, like this picture is perfection. Whoever posed her, and oh my God, she just looks like fire in this picture. Like you see this picture, you would want this lip kit, even if you don't know her. Anyway, so I got the nude lip set. It retails for $49. It's limited edition, no returns, no exchanges. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to get it, and I love supporting other YouTubers as well. So I opened it. I only swatched the lip pencil so far, so I'm going to go ahead and do swatches of all of them and the lip liner. I was so happy to swatch the lip liner because it's a proper brown, because a lot of browns I notice has red. Like everybody thinks that they need to put red in brown lip liners. All right, so this is how the set comes on this little cardboard. So there's the lip liner, there's a liquid lipstick, the gloss, and there is a regular lipstick bullet. Let's just go through the names quickly because you guys know me and my eyes as usual. All right, so the lip liner is called Chocalate Chip. Love that name. The liquid matte lipstick, like to see it. The lip gloss is called E-Gen. It's E-hyphenated J-E-N. And the classic lipstick is called Penny. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the lip liner on first. All right. So this is the lip liner. What's the name of it again? Chocalate Chip. And it's a twist up, which I like, so you don't have to sharpen it. And where's the cover? Because I think I pulled it off from the roll up soup. I did the same thing. Okay. The cover is here. It's a twist up. Let me just swatch it. Proper brown. See that? Look at that brown. See? It's a proper brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips, and I'm going to start off with the lipstick first since that's like a nude shade, and then I'm going to go with the other two. Okay, so it's nice and creamy. Now that I'm putting it on my lips though, it's looking like it has like purple. I don't know. It's nice and creamy though. See that? Nice and dark. No, it's a proper, yeah, it's a deep chocolate brown. Deep chocolate brown. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the regular lipstick. And this is how it's packaged. Let me give you guys a swatch of it. It's like a beautiful pinkish blush tone nude. Let me put some right here too so you can see it. And it's called Penny. Yeah, this is called Penny. So let's see how it looks on. I think it's gonna look amazing. Ah, the formula, wow. It's beautiful, it's so creamy. It's like putting butter on your lips. Wow. This formula is bomb. Penny, all right. This is gorgeous with the lip liner. Oh, I feel like a baddie, as the kids would say. Oh my God, I hope my son doesn't look at this video and hear me say the word baddie. All right, look at that. Oops. It's all over my hand. Isn't this pretty? This is gorgeous. Oh, I love this shade. This would be suitable. I think if you're like medium and darker, this would look spectacular. It would look great on everybody. And oh, it's so juicy. All right, those are colors in Nyma. This is beautiful. I don't even want to take it off, but let's take it off. All right, so now for the liquid lipstick, and I left a little bit of the lip liner on just for like a guide. So this is called Like to See It, and let me swatch it. And this is a really dark, beautiful chocolate brown, like really, really dark brown. This is what it looks like. This would look so nice with like a nude eye. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on. Nice doe foot yeah, like, you know, the applicators, it looks like a little boot. That's what it looks like. All right, let's see. This is just one coat. It's dark. It's like a black brown, like a black cherry brown, but it's beautiful. I think it looks really nice. And it goes on so liquidy, but it dries matte immediately. Like I can just feel it drying down matte right away. Love that. Oh, this looks pretty with my makeup, I think, today. With like my nude eye. Okay. Like to see it. Yes, we like to see it. Okay, Nyma. This is really nice, guys. Oh, wow. She did her thing. She picked some beautiful colors. This is really cute. What do you guys think? Very pretty. All right, so let's put the gloss over top of this and see how it will look. And the gloss is called E-Gen, right? And then I'll do the gloss by itself so you can get an idea of if you want to, you know, use the gloss by itself. Let's swatch the gloss. And this has a flat applicator. It doesn't have like that little boot. So let's put it here. Oh, this has like the same shade of the lipstick. I personally don't like glosses that are this deep. I prefer my glosses to be more of like a lighter brown or gold shade, but let's see. I'm just gonna put it over top of this. Oh. It has like a, it smells, it's so familiar, but I can't put my finger on what it is. So this is it with the gloss over top, because this is the only time the only way I would wear the gloss if I wear it over something would be over this color since they match. Doesn't look bad. I actually like it. I didn't think I would like the gloss over top of this, but I think it looks really pretty. This was well done, guys. The formula of this is not sticky at all. Like, it doesn't feel like as though I have gloss on my lips at all. I just feel like my lips feel a little moist. It's just giving me moisture. It's not giving me like sticky. The formula of this is great. I wish they had made a lighter gloss like to go with the nude lipstick. I think that's the only thing that's missing, sort of. They should have maybe done like a lighter gloss with like a little gold in it for the lipstick, but this is cute. All right, let's do the gloss by itself just in case, you know, you want to use the gloss by itself. Let's see how it looks. This has such a familiar smell. It's like, is it cinnamon? Reminds me of a drink that we used to drink back home when I was little. All right, so this is the gloss by itself. E-Gen. Yeah. Stay glossy. So yeah, you'll be glossy. I like it by itself. It looks very sexy and vampy and oh. All right, Nyma. This is cute. I'm so proud of her. She did such a great job picking these shades. Like, okay. I'm feeling like really sexy with these shades. Sexy this hour of the morning. This is cute. I like the gloss by itself. I will wear this gloss by itself. You can see, I didn't think I would. I was like, oh, such a dark gloss, but yes, yes, and yes. This is pretty. Wow. All right, so I'm back with the penny lipstick, and let me tell you, this formula here is rivaling Charlotte Tilbury and all those like formulas that I love. If you want a buttery, just wow. They killed this formula. I mean, I love Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. I don't think I've ever owned like their regular bullet lipsticks. I guess they make regular bullet lipsticks. I like their liquid formula. It's so comfortable. But I think this formula, it's better than all of the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks that I have. They improved the formula. It's fantastic. And the color of this lipstick is so dark skin friendly. I love the see, this is the undertone that I like. Even if it has peach, even if it has pink, I don't want like a lot of pink. Just this, like this dusty sort of pink, nude kind of shade. It's so, oh my God, I love it. I love this whole collection. I didn't think, because the gloss was the only thing I was iffy about. Love the gloss. I will be rocking it. This is so amazing, guys. And it's limited edition, so if you want to grab it, you should grab it. And when you grab it, of course, you'll be supporting Nyma. I'm a mess. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. I love everything. And let me tell you, this the lip liner, it's a really, really dark brown. So you just have to be going very lightly. It's like butter. It just glides. It doesn't grab your lip. It's not dry at all. And this is what I love about this the most. I hate a lip liner that tugs. This is so creamy, so buttery, glides on. And this is like a dark, like a black cherry brown, kind of like a deep chocolate cherry brown. No, I wouldn't say cherry. Just a deep chocolate chip brown. It's good. They should make the lip liner permanent. I would buy another kit just to get this lip liner so I can have it, because I could never find a right brown lip liner. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Like I said, I loved all of it. She did a fantastic job. Congrats to her. She killed it. All right, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.